Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I filmed a room tour. It's a bit different to anything I've ever posted, so I really hope you enjoy. Okay, so this is my bedroom door. On this I've just displayed a few things that I thought went with the aesthetic of my bedroom. So first of all, I have a saffron bark eye mask from her range with Primark. Then I have my robe, which my mum's friend made. You'll probably notice throughout this video there will be loads of things that I've said that my mum's friend made. I have a Ted Baker eye mask that come in a set. Then I have this bag, which is like a crushed velvet pink. And I have this bag, which was the bag I wore to my year 6 Leavers disco prom party thing. Okay, so on this wall I have all of my Pandora bags displayed on Saffron Barker's lights from her range with Primark again, and I have a bunch of photos of my friends and family. Okay, so following on from the wall by my bedroom door, I have my wardrobe door, which I'm not going to go in today. One, because I think that should be a separate video, and two, because it's a mess. But I just have a little quote on there that says, "The best things in life are the people we love, the places we've been, and the memories we've made along the way," which I love, and I think it goes with my aesthetic of my bedroom lovely. Okay, so now we're coming by my window. I have my curtains. I just have these crushed velvet curtains that were originally in my living room, and I had pink curtains up here, but then my mum got new curtains for the living room, and so she gave me these. Now for my favourite part of my room, my dressing table. I am in love with my dressing table, and I'm forever experimenting with the ornaments I put on here, how I want to display it. I love this part of my room. Okay, so on this side of my dressing table, in this drawer I like to store my clips and hair accessories. I have a jewellery box by here that is Beauty and the Beast themed, and it just says "Beauty is found within," and it has a rose by there. By here I have a jewel which was meant to go on my bed, but it broke. You'll see what I mean in a minute when you see my bed. But I think it just looks so cool by there, and I really like it. By here I have a Madagascan vanilla scented candle, which I'm sure one of my friends bought me for my birthday like a couple of years ago. And I'm terrible with candles. I have so many of them, and perfumes, you'll notice that. But I never burn a candle. It's terrible. I just need to start getting into the rhythm of burning them. Okay, so by here I have like this glass slate, I guess. I don't really know what to call it. If I'm doing my makeup, I don't like to get foundation on my hands, so I'll just squirt a little bit on here, and then I'll get my beauty blender and dip it on there instead of having to put it on my hands, because I hate it. And also it's really good for my curlers and straighteners, because I can keep them on here and whilst they're cooling down. And by here I have my makeup brush holder. I just have a few brushes, and if you're wondering why they look so clean, some of them are new and some of them I've just washed. Most of them are Spectrum makeup brushes, and some of them I have like a Revolution one. I love this one for blusher. It's really good. I really like the shape of the brush, and it's really good just for blusher. I have this Revolution brush, which is really great for contour and bronzer. I got this holder from, I think I would like to say Home Bargains, but don't hold me to that, I'm not sure. And I'm not sure whether it'll still be there because I got it ages ago. Oh, so by here I just have two Ted Baker nail polishes. They are my favourite nail polishes. I also got them in set, like the Ted Baker eye mask that I have. I just have this plant, which is obviously fake, which I've had for ages, since we first decorated my bedroom, and I just think it looks lovely by there. Over on this side of my bedroom I have my watch, my Pandora ring and my Pandora bracelet. I have this Sanctuary Spa perfume, and I have my eyelash curlers. Okay, so on my vanity I just have 3 drawers which I just store face masks, eye masks, other nail polishes, just a bunch of random stuff really. Okay, so this is the chair for my vanity. I used to have a stool that matched with my vanity, but I broke it, so we had to throw it in the bin. But I got this chair from Amazon and I'm not sure where the cushion's from. Okay, so this is my 4 cubes. I'm not really sure where they're from. I'll leave it in the description if I remember, but I'm not sure. But I know you can get some like these from IKEA. They might even be from IKEA, I'm really not sure. On this cube I've displayed some photos and just some keepsakes that I like to keep there. This cube has all my books. I have some Series of Unfortunate Events books, some cooking books, I have all sorts. And then I've just displayed some perfumes, candles and some ornaments. In the boxes there is actually, they're basically both my junk drawers. Okay, so on the top of my cubes I have a picture of me and my cousin. I have this perfume which is also shaped as a shoe and I thought it looks absolutely gorgeous by there. Then I have like a star which I just put some of my earrings in. I have another jewellery box and I have a tea for one tea cup thing on there which I had off my auntie and I think it looks gorgeous there. Cups of teas are my favourite. Then I have another perfume. I have a little mirror. I have another candle that says Beautiful Daughter on it, which I had off my mum and dad. I have another perfume which is really cool. And I have a pineapple by here. You couldn't see when I was showing you everything that's on the top of my cubes, but I just have a little coaster of me and my great grandpa. To the right of my cube I just have a set of Alex 5 straws and I have a box from a Ted Baker set that I had like a few years ago, a candle and Girl Online and like it's like a magazine holder, but I think Girl Online looks good there. In my Alex 5 drawers I just store stationery. Okay, so to the left of my 4 cubes I have another set of Alex 5 drawers and I just store my makeup and hair products and stuff like that in. I have a Ted Baker box from a set that I had for Christmas. Then I have some Revolution lipsticks which were in a calendar and I've just stored them in an acrylic container. Then I have 2 perfumes and I have my journal. Okay, so next to my Alex 5 drawers, I just had this bit that just sort of came out of the wall and I wasn't really sure what to do with it. But I just used the same wallpaper that I have on my feature wall and put it by here. You can't really see it in my other videos, but I just thought I'd do a little close-up just so you know. Okay, so now I have 2 floating shelves. On this shelves I have a Frosted Sprinkles hand wash, which I know should be in the bathroom, but it's so lovely and look how cool it looks, so I just like to keep it there. And I have this frame which my mum's friend made and it says Nevaeh on there. I then have a unicorn by here, which I got from like a fair thing that I went with my dad, and so I've kept it there. By here I just have a snow globe which says party like a pineapple. When I was having my room done, and still now to be honest, I had like a massive obsession with gold pineapples, I think you can tell. And I have a Zoella perfume. Okay, so now another favourite part of my room is my bed. And I just have like this geometric bedding on there. I usually have like this, I have a few different ones, but at the minute I have a geometric one. I have a pink throw blanket on. I have a pillow which is in the shape of a bow. And I have these 2 pillows which are like, do you like those sequin ones that you can flip back and forth? Which my mum's friend also made. And then I have 2 crushed velvet pillows at the top of my bed. So next to my bed I obviously have my bedside table. I've put some of those crystals on the handles as well. I have a frame by here which my mum's friend made, and in the frame it says happy 13th birthday, or happy 13th Nevaeh, and it has a picture of me when I was a baby, when I was first born, and a picture of me last year on my birthday. But I really love that because I don't want anyone thinking I'm being vain because I have a photo of myself next to my bedroom. It's just to show like how much I've grown over the years, and that's really why I have it. I then have these two monkeys which my great nan gave to me, like these ornamental pieces which I think are so cute. I love them so much. I don't really know that I always say they're monkeys, they're mice. Oh my god, they're mouse. Okay, they're mice. I have these two mice by there, and I have a tea set which my nan gave me, and I have a Pandora like gift card box thing which I thought looked quite cute there. Now we're all the way back around to my bedroom door. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and like, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time.